Game of Thrones is one of HBO's most popular programs, showing a world of warring rivals, and it seems like life is imitating art. HBO is set to battle Netflix as it gets ready to launch its own streaming service in 2015. The Time Warner Company, that is the same company, of course, which owns CNN, might have picked just the right time to announce these plans. Shares in Netflix have plummeted more than 23% after reported subscriber growth was short of estimates. Joining me now is CNN senior media correspondent Brian Stelter. So what's going on between these two rivals? Really looks like they're going to go head-to-head, huh, Brian?
Well, they're frenemies in some ways. You know, just after HBO announced this streaming service, the parent company of HBO, Time Warner, which also owns CNN, came out and sold all the old episodes of Friends to Netflix. So it goes to show that both of these services can coexist. Now, at the same time, they learn from each other and they try to one-up each other all the time. It's a good thing for viewers because it means there's a lot of great stuff on HBO and there's a lot of great stuff on Netflix. But I think what HBO is doing makes perfect sense. They have all of their subscribers right now through cable and satellite providers, and they're going to keep getting new subscribers that way, but now they're also going to try to get new subscribers via broadband, via the internet. That way they're going to have two avenues of growth in the future.
Brian, are the cable companies going to let them do that, or is this an option in a place where they don't have cable penetration? And I know that they've been eyeing the international audience as well.
Yeah, and they say they could see even more growth internationally doing this via the internet than they could see in the U.S. In the U.S., there's about 10 million homes that don't have cable but do have broadband. That's what HBO is going to target at first. And HBO is not the only one doing it. CBS this morning is announcing a product for $6 a month where you can get a library of their old episodes and current episodes and a live stream of CBS. It's another example of trying to place multiple bets on the table. Most of CBS's audience, most of HBO's audience is going to keep coming from cable and satellite, but they're placing additional bets to make sure that they stay relevant as the world changes, as people want to watch TV in new ways.
That's right, and make sure they don't lose that next generation, which, by the way, I don't even know if they care if they have a TV, some of them. Brian, should we be worried about Netflix? I just want to end on this point. That stock down so sharply, but it's in the context of a market that is down sharply. Are they really slowing, or is this sort of a temporary issue for them with the subscriber?
Well, Reed Hastings, the CEO, did say that his stock was overvalued many months ago. He may be being proven right now. In any other context, the subscriber growth at Netflix would be very impressive, but because there are sky-high expectations for that service, obviously this is going to cause some raised eyebrows, which goes to show that even a $1 price increase can affect interest in Netflix. And it also goes to show just how competitive this environment is. People might choose to drop Netflix for a while, then come back after a little while if they can afford it.